I mean, I have a delusional friend like Rick Doherty never helped me out at all. And that's really sad. See, my family put me down the lowest that they could put me, and then I was targeted. Everybody to take advantage of me. I learned, given it shall be given unto you. That's the biggest lie in the Bible. I was given these glasses. That was nice. The welfare office was nice and gave me food stamps. When I asked, I was like, I should get, like, premium. I should get the most food stamps. And so, I got a tiny bit of help. But nothing that I really needed to go to the hospital and have blood work done. I wanted to be checked out. I wanted my teeth out. I wanted a nice place to live so I can have, when I have an operation, I can rest for a week after having all my teeth out. But I don't have a home. I have a shithole room on the 3rd floor. So I never had anything.